you know you can get 75 gigabytes of data free of charge from Glo? Yes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step by step. You can get free 75 gigabytes of data directly from Glo, and you don't need to download any third-party app or any special code for you to get access to this. So follow me in this video. Let me show you the step by step how you can be able to do this. To get your free 75 gigabytes of data from Glo, the first thing you need to do is for you to download this app. So go to your Google Play Store or your App Store, then download this app. Type my Glo Cafe Nigeria. So download and install it on your phone. So I've already installed it on my phone, so I'm going to click on open to launch the app. Then I'm going to click on new user because I've not signed up into this app before. So you click on new user, then you click on next, click on next again. Then you enter your Glo number. Then click on agree. Then you click on request OTP. So they're going to send an OTP to your number. So you hold on for them to send you that OTP, so that you use that OTP to verify your number. After you have entered the OTP, then click on submit. Then enter 6-digit number. Then click on confirm. Then click on submit. So it will automatically log you into the app. So here you are going to see your data balance, your name, your full name, and you can buy data from here. So to get your 50 gigabytes, to get your 75 gigabytes of data from Glo, to do that, after you have registered like this, go and check your number. They have already sent a message to you. Let's go and cross check. So if I go to my message now, you can see that they have already sent me a message. Congratulations, you have earned 75 gigabyte bonus of data valid till 12 a.m. today. I can start using it to browse the internet for anything I want to use it for. If you want to get access to videos on how to get your 50 gigabytes of data from MTN, you can watch the video that is showing next on your screen, or you can check the description of this video. So there you have it. This is how you can get your 75 gigabytes of data free from Glo, and this will help to save because of the purchase of data. You can use this data to browse, to do any activities on the internet. If you got value from this video, do what to like this video, and so drop your comment on the comment section. Help me to share this video so that others will get access to this video. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, do what to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notification. If you want to get access to different ways to get data the very cheaper from different network, you can watch the video that is showing next on your screen, or you can check the description of this video. So I'll see you in my next video.